soldering. So for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is flux remover, rosin, brush clean, Chemtronics ES835B. So ito po na.
So guys, ito po siya. So what is flux remover, flux rosin brush clean, Chemtronics ES835B?
The Chemtronics ES835B flux rosin flux remover with brush clean system is a fast-drying aerosol cleaner designed to remove various flux residues from electronic components and printed circuit boards. It is specifically formulated to tackle harmful residues in tight areas, ensuring a clean finish without leaving any residue behind. Key feature is residue removal. Effectively removes all rosin-based fluxes including R, RMA, and RA, and synthetic fluxes, as well as ionic and non-ionic activators. Brush clean system available with an integrated brush system that allows for simultaneous cleaning and scrubbing, making the process quicker and more efficient, specifically for residues in tight spaces. Next is fast drying and no residue. The product dries quickly and evaporates completely, leaving no residue behind. Next is plastic safe, generally safe for use on most plastics and materials commonly found in the electronic industry. However, it's recommended to test on its non-critical area prior to use. Next is always spray valve. Features an always spray valve allowing that can to spray effectively even when held upside down. Compliant. It is RoHS compliant and does not contain CFS or HCFCS. Applications. The Chemtronics ES835B is suitable for cleaning various electronic components and assemblies including chips carriers, heat sinks, printed circuit boards, plug relays and contacts, sockets, surface mount device pads, and switches. For specifications, product type, flux remover, physical form, clear liquid, container, aerosol can, container size typically 5 ohm or 200 ml. Flammability, flammable, VOCs content 603 or 75%. Shelf life, 5 years in aerosol form. So next is the use of flux remover Chemtronics ES835. The Chemtronics ES835B is primarily used for cleaning flux residues from printed circuit boards and other electronic components after the soldering process. Purpose of flux remover. Flux residue, if not removed, can lead to several issues on electronic assemblies. Corrosion. It can corrosion on the board components. Dendrites. Flux residues can form dendrites, which are ionic particles chained together between contact points. These dendrites can cause current leakage and even short circuit the board. Next, in degradation overall. Unclean flux can degrade or destroy the printed circuit board, impacting its reliability. Types of fluxes removed. The ES835B is specifically formulated to remove various types of flux and activators. All rosin-based fluxes removing R, RMA, and RA types. Synthetic fluxes. ionic and non-ionic activators. Key features for effective use. This flux remover is designed with features that enhancing its effectiveness and ease of use. Brush clean system. Many versions of the ESA 35 comes with an integrated brush system that allows for scrubbing and solvent application, which is particularly useful for stubborn residues and tight areas. Next is fast drying. It dries quickly, ensuring that the clean process is efficient. Next is no residue. The product evaporates completely, leaving no residue behind on the clean surfaces. Next is plastic safe. It is generally safe for use on most plastics and materials common in the electronic industry. The testing on a non-critical area is recommended. Next is always spray valve. The aerosol can feature an always spray valve, allowing it to spray effectively from any angle, even upside down for convenient application.
So, yun guys. Ito ang ating Chemtronics Brush Clean Flux Off Rosin. Chemtronics ES835B.
So, ayun lang guys. Huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you!